receiving the last consignment of our batch from Italy, and it entails all refrigeration and equipment and fix and pneumatics for mechanical line. We are planning to have our engineers to be on site from 2nd or 3rd of February. Timeline could be within 3 weeks. We might be able to finish, or 4 weeks to finish all the fix and the fixed platforms and pneumatic and all the refrigeration part. Hopefully the capacity is almost 100,000 for the shots, goat and sheep, almost 10,000 for cattle, and 3,000 for the camel. In terms of the completion, I think governor is also forcing us, is pushing us, in fact, for us to complete by the target that we gave our time last time of March. In fact, the governor is also very much interested in this one of his flagship project, and in terms of financing, he's also trying his best that the flow of funds for the facilities is well as planned. The reception is very good, and they also having a passionate of completing this facility of theirs. I hope being the first to be done, and hopefully it will have a bigger impact to the common region of the northern frontier, not only Cielo County, because it is targeting almost the 6 counties, Cielo, Samburu, Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa.
Tunamshukuru gavana wetu kwa kutuletea maendeleo kama hii. Right now tumeona maendeleo, mashini zimefika, na hii inatuhakikishia kwamba youth ambao wako hapa right now watapata kazi. Tunakushukuru sana.
Sisi ni vijana wa KMC hapa, tunataka tuajiriwe kazi hapa. Gavana yetu amefanya kazi mzuri sana.